Hi, Bruno. This is Bruno from NACC Shelter in Norfolk, Virginia. He's about a year old, and he's been there almost a month because the owners, after having him his whole life, he's about a year old. After having him for about a year, his whole life, they said that their apartment won't allow dogs his breed, despite the fact that they've all been living there for a year. I did find out that sometimes they do change the rules in apartments, but maybe it's just me, but if it was my dog, yeah, I would move, because I'm not surrendering my dog. If I get a dog, I keep it for its life. I took him for the free range because, yeah, he's young, but also he has a lot of, he's been spinning around, and that's because he has a lot of stress and anxiety. I mean, they all do, but his is higher than most of them. So he definitely needs the free range so he can run. Get that energy out. That will help with that. He's got a lot of stress and anxiety. They do have a yard at the shelter, but it's smaller than this. I'm glad my mom and my stepdad have this big, huge, giant backyard that they let me use sometimes for these dogs. It's smaller than this at the shelter, and they're short-staffed, you know, to take them out. Get all the dogs out for activity. Tickle boy? Yeah. No, you're not gonna hump me. Didn't you just get neutered? Go run around. No jumping like that. Go run around. I know you got energy and you're excited, but we don't want you doing that because we want you to get adopted, okay? So go run around. It's a pretty boy with pretty eyes. Got pretty eyes. I'm gonna let him run around here for another half hour before I have to go back to work, and then I'll bring him back. He's at his name is Bruno. He's at NACC Shelter in Norfolk, Virginia.